If you've ever wondered, am I too old to start piano? Well, let me stop you right there, because playing piano after 50, after 60, whatever, it isn't just possible. It comes with some surprising benefits you might not expect. From keeping your brain young, to reducing stress, to connecting with others. The piano is so much more than an instrument, or in this case, a keyboard. It's like a wellness plan with keys. Well, let me show you how this works. Let me share a personal note, though, before I really get started. I've been making music for decades, going all the way back to the early 1970s. And I've seen firsthand how the piano can change lives at any age. Now, I really love working with adults who are coming back to music or trying it for the first time later in life. Many of my viewers are, shall I say, mature adults. The truth is, there are some powerful benefits waiting for you right at the keyboard. The first benefit is brain health. Let's start with your brain. Did you know that playing the piano is like a full workout for your mind? You think about it. You're reading notes on the page or chord symbols, coordinating both hands, listening to the sounds that you are producing, and sometimes even keeping time with your foot and having to use the pedal. That's a lot of multitasking, and your brain loves it. And every time you do this, you are strengthening your memory, your focus, and problem-solving skills. And here's the amazing part. Research shows that learning an instrument, like the keyboard, like the piano, later in life can actually help slow down cognitive decline. In other words, those few minutes you spend at the piano aren't just fun. They're literally keeping your brain sharp and young. It's like giving your mind a set of push-ups and stretches without breaking a sweat. When you sit down at the piano, you're not just making music, you're building new brain connections. So the next time someone tells you, isn't it too late to start learning? Well, you can say, actually, I'm just keeping my brain young, one note at a time. Benefit number 2 is stress relief. Let's talk about stress. Life after 50, or in my case, way after 50, it can still be busy. There's work, family, responsibilities, sometimes unexpected challenges. I'm talking about, for me, life after 67. And the piano can be like your personal escape. I know it is for me. When you sit down and start to play, your breathing slows, your focus shifts to the music, and for those few minutes, the noise of the world fades away. Studies have shown that playing an instrument lowers cortisol, which is the stress hormone. And that means the piano isn't just a creative outlet, it's a built-in stress reliever. I think of it like stepping into a quiet room where it's just me and the music. It's not about playing perfectly. It's about finding peace in the sound of the keys under your fingers. Another benefit, hand and eye coordination. It's another surprising benefit. It's your hands. They benefit from this. As we get older, our fingers can stiffen or lose some flexibility. The piano is a wonderful way to keep them active. When you practice, you're not only improving hand strength and dexterity, but you're also keeping your hand-eye coordination sharp. Think of it as a gentle exercise for your fingers. You don't need to play fast or complicated music for this to work. Even simple scales, chords, slow songs, that's enough to keep your hands moving, to keep your fingers flexible and engaged. Another benefit is emotional expression. Another gift of the piano or the keyboard is emotional expression. Now, after 50, we've all experienced joys, sorrows, triumphs, losses. Sometimes words aren't enough to capture those feelings. Music gives us a voice that goes deeper than language. When you sit down to play a tender melody, play one of your favorite songs, or let out your energy by playing a lively song, you're expressing something real and deeply personal. Folks have told me that they feel lighter after playing, like they've had a conversation with themselves that they didn't even know they needed. That's the healing power of music. You know, there are a lot of times that I've experienced going into playing a show, going to play music for people, and I find myself feeling down or just kind of gloomy for whatever reason. But once I started playing, the heaviness faded away. I felt much better, much lighter. It's amazing. My mood was lifted just by playing music. Another benefit of playing piano after age 50 is social connection. Let's face it, music brings people together. Maybe you can play a duet with your grandchild. They can play chopsticks and you can play the accompaniment. Maybe you can share a song at a family gathering. Even if you're just posting a short video of yourself playing online, you are joining a community of people who love music as much as you do. And here's a wonderful truth about this. It doesn't matter if you play simple songs or advanced pieces. Music is about sharing joy, not about impressing others. The piano gives you a way to connect, to encourage, to inspire. I love hearing folks, maybe they've just started learning piano at age 50 or 60, and they're playing through a simple song, and it's just a wonderful thing to see and to hear. Whether it's keeping your brain sharp, reducing stress, keeping your hands active, expressing your heart, or connecting with others, the benefits of playing the piano after 50, 60, 70, truly surprising benefits. It's incredibly rewarding. And here's the best part. You can start anytime. It's never too late to experience the joy of making music. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one benefit you'd love to experience from playing piano, from playing the keyboard, from making music? Let me know in the comments. I would love to read your stories. And if you'd like to explore more beginner-friendly tips and tutorials, then check out my Music Basics playlist right here on At Home with Music. Now, I'm planning to create a new and improved version of this that's aimed at those of you who are starting to play music and you're after 50, maybe you're only 40. It doesn't matter. As an adult, you want to learn. So I'm here to help you get started. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about joy. It's about the joy of making music. So give your brain, your hands, and your heart the gift of music. If you have any questions, any comments, please be sure to leave those in the comment section. I read every comment and try my best to respond. If you'd like to support my work, you can go to my Patreon page. I'm looking at other ways to help you if you'd like to support this channel. I appreciate your support very much. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe and ring the little bell. You know, you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The majority of my viewers are not subscribed, so I would appreciate it if you did that. It's free to subscribe to At Home with Music. Thanks again, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.